So today we're going to be testing out the brand new Nars Summer Unrated Eyeshadow Palette. It came out a couple of months ago, but now I am in the mood for summer. It's getting warmer outside, I'm diving into warmer colors, and I couldn't wait to share this with you. So let's find out if it's worth the $59 hefty price tag. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And boy, are we going high-end. Every once in a blue moon, as my mom would say, I do splurge on high luxury items. I could not resist the new Nars Summer Unrated Eyeshadow Palette. It is a 16-pan eyeshadow palette with mattes, shimmers, and glitter finishes. Now, it is limited edition, but let me tell you something. Whenever Nars says it's limited edition, it comes back in my experience. I remember when the Nars Saint Germain Claudette eyeshadow palette was limited edition. Guess what? They still have it. It's still on their Nars website. So I thought we would dive into a warm summer look using this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Each row is designed to complete an eye look. You can use each row individually for 4 distinct eye looks, or you can mix and match across the entire palette for endless artistry. Now, this got 5 stars on the Sephora website. I couldn't wait to dive into this baby. I mean, this color story totally spoke to me. I love the pinks, the corals, the golds, the shimmers, and you know me, I am a neutrals girl through and through. So I thought we would dive into a look, do some swatches, and I will give you my final opinion at the end of the video to see if it's worth your money. So without further ado, let's get into the video. How you doing? I already have all of my complexion products on. Surprise, they're Nars. I went in with the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. Beautiful foundation, and I am very familiar with Nars Cosmetics in terms of their foundations, their blushes, their lip glosses, and I've dabbled a bit in their eyeshadow palettes, but this one, I don't know why, is so beautiful. I can't wait to get into it. I've already primed my eyes with the City Lid Lifting Treatment. You know this is my favorite primer for eyes. It creates a very smooth canvas and it really gives my eyes that wide awake look. I wanted to give this eyeshadow palette a fair shake, so I did prime my eyes with the GERARD Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eyeshadow Primer. This is so the colors will pop, we'll get a true sense of the shades and pigment, and it makes your shadows last longer and not crease. So let's get into it. Oh, and I did swatch. I don't think my arm is big enough, but they swatched beautifully. The mattes are creamy. I have not done an eyeshadow look, so I'm super excited to just get on with it, Catherine. Okay, they all have names on the back. Good luck. This is beautiful. It's almost the shade of my actual eyelid, and that's what I want to do. I want to get a really clean canvas. Just going to take that and brush it all over the lid, and this is just a BK Beauty 202. You know, these are some of my favorite brushes, and it's just applying super smoothly, beautifully. This is a stunning color. So far, no problems. And I'm not going to follow the diagram. I'm not going to go straight across and create 4 distinct looks. I want to play around. I want to see how each color pays off. So this shade is beautiful. It's going on effortlessly. I'm super intrigued by this shade here, and it is called, oh, and it's in Italian. Hello. I'm going to go in with Spiaggia Rossa, and I'm sorry, my Italian is no bueno. I'm going to go in and take it on my Angie Hot and Flashy A502. Ooh, there is a little bit of kickback. Ooh, super bright. And I'm just going to go above my crease and just go back and forth very lightly and just try to build up that transitional shade. And that is going on super smooth. Wow, that is packing a punch. I love it. And I'm just taking it right on my brow bone above my crease. Now, I do have hooded eyes, and my right eye is actually better than my left eye. The left eye is super hooded. I have to make adjustments with each eye and the placement of my shadow. But this is just blending effortlessly. It's so pretty. That was super easy. Wow. Isn't that lovely? Don't make me repeat the name of that. Spiaggia Rossa. I don't think that's an Italian accent, Catherine, but we will take it. All right, so that applied beautifully. I'm just trying to build up that color. Now remember, if you are lighter in complexion with me, the colors will pull a little warmer and a little more orange. If you have a deeper skin tone, I think these colors would be magical on you. I think it would be really beautiful on all skin tones. But so far, this is beautiful. Now, I want to go in with the deeper shade, Palmas. I'm going to go in and take it on my A504. This is one of my all-time favorite brushes from the Angie Hot and Flashy collection because it's so precise. And I'm just tapping it on the outer thirds of my eye just to deepen up that area. Ooh, and that's blending beautifully. It's not getting muddy. It just looks really natural and pretty. Ah, beautiful. And right through here on my more hooded eye, I'm going to apply a little bit more to make that fold of skin recess, because you want to create depth and shadow, especially with a darker shade when you have hooded eyes. That seems to be going on beautifully. Like that. Ooh, this is so nice. So nice. Wow. Then I'm just going to go back and deepen it up just a hair more. That's absolutely lovely. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is too easy. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, mix it in with Spiazza Rosa, and then just run it along my lower lash line, just to smoke it out. This is really hard to do when you're not looking, so I hope I'm getting it in the right place. That actually worked nice. Again, just a little bit back and forth on the same brush and just creating a little definition on my lower lash line. Oh my goodness, isn't that nice? I really want to check out this super deep chocolate color, Fetish. Of course, I got to throw in a word like that, but I'm going to go in with Fetish on exactly the same brush and just deepen up that shade right there that we created. Oh, this is lovely. And I'm going to go in a little bit further and stamping it across my lash line, like a faux wing, if you will, and just softly blending that out. Oh, these are so buttery. Now there is a slight bit of fallout, but I'm not angry at it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on this side. Super easy. Isn't that lovely? Wow. And I'm just taking it slightly up, especially on this eye. I'm gonna push back that fold of skin. Okay. Ooh, so nice. All right, now on my BK 204, I'm gonna take just a little bit of that deep shade right through there, ever so slightly, and I'm gonna go on the outer thirds of my lower lash line and create some more definition, some more depth, and deepen that up. That is so beautiful. Oh, lovely. Okay, so there is a little bit of fallout. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush and just brush it away. And I'm just going to use this 205 and just flick it like that. Super easy. And it was very minimal fallout at that. And then just clean it up like this. Now, these shimmers are beautiful. This one is super intriguing to me right here, and it's called Orgasm. I'm going to take it on my finger, my ring finger, and I'm going to swatch it for you. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Oh my gosh. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that shade and tap it all over the lid. Going on so easily. This is just performing beautifully. I absolutely love these warm tones. I know I've been using a lot of cooler tones recently, but now that it's summer and it's warm outside, I'm wearing a lot more gold, and I think it just is beautiful. Isn't that lovely? Oh, that is so pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the original brush and then just softly blend that. Super. Oh my Lanta, super easy. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to take my Sigma inner corner brush and I'm going to go in with Satisfy. It is this champagne color. I'm just going to pop it right into the corner and slowly blend it just so we can create a little bit of light to open up our eyes. And then I'm going to pop it right under my eyebrow to give my eyes that natural lift. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Okay, now I'm just going to play around and have a little bit of fun. Same brush, I just wiped it off. I want to check out Bird of Paradise. It is this shimmer right through here. It's the same kind of corally, beautiful shade. I'm going to give it a better swatch. It's definitely a Bird of Paradise. Have you ever seen those flowers? They're so unusual. They absolutely look like a bird. It's actually Matt and I's favorite flower. He gave me Birds of Paradise when we first started dating. I thought that was super unusual because, you know, most men give women roses or, I don't know, something traditional, but no, Matt's not traditional. He gave me Birds of Paradise. So I'm going to go in with that shade. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop it right under my lash line, right through there, just to give a little bit of sparkle. Just for that je ne sais quoi. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Absolutely love it. Everything is just blended out beautifully. It looks very cohesive. It maybe took like, what, 5-6 minutes? And this is the first time I've ever used this eyeshadow palette. I wanted to get my first impressions and tell you honestly, as I was working, I cannot tell you how buttery these mattes are and how smooth the shimmers are. But I'm going to go ahead and pop on some eyeliner and mascara, and I will give you my final thoughts on this Summer Unrated eyeshadow palette. Okay, here we are with the final look. I just did a tiny baby wing with the Maybelline Hyper Easy liquid eyeliner pen. I just went ahead and tapped it along my eyelash band and gave myself a little baby wing for that extra flare. And for mascara, I went in with the Jones Road mascara. That is the beauty company from Bobbi Brown. I've forgotten how good this mascara is. If you want full, luscious, thick, dramatic lashes, yo, this is the mascara to go for. Drama, big eyelashes. It really extends the lashes while giving volume as well. I think we came up with a beautiful dramatic look. I know, right? And for lips, I went in with Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. I think the lip color is beautiful. It's a little rosy that complements the entire look together. I think it's lovely. And then for highlighter, I just went in with Merit Beauty's Bounce Cream Highlighter. It's very subtle. I just wanted a little bit of glow since this is such a dramatic look. I think this is a beautiful look that maybe you can wear to a wedding. Now, I know summer is right upon us and we're going to be having a lot of events. Do I recommend the Nars Summer Unrated eyeshadow palette? Now remember, it retails for $59. It is a 16-pan eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it's supposed to be limited edition, but I think if there's so much love for this, I think Nars will keep it around, like the Saint Germain Claudette eyeshadow palette. Now this one is only a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. It's not very versatile, whereas this one, you can create so many looks, not just the 4 from the 4 rows that they said. I think you can mix and match, create your own unique look. The mattes are buttery, the shimmers are soft, and I noticed when I was doing my winged eyeliner that my eyeliner did not drag or pull on the shimmer shade. So that is something to note. So if you want to treat yourself to an eyeshadow palette of high quality, luxury, beautiful colors, I think you're going to be able to pull from this eyeshadow palette every single day because you have all these beautiful neutrals through here. If you want a pop of pink or coral, I think right through here is a great color story. And then of course the shimmers are sublime. You get a huge mirror. I can actually read the shades on the back of the eyeshadow palette. Hey, that's something I need at my age, but it's absolutely beautiful. Packaging is top notch. Of course, you're gonna get fingerprints on it, but I think it's absolutely stunning. But what do you think? Are you thinking about picking up the Summer Unrated eyeshadow palette from Nars? I think it's beautiful. I think it's versatile. I think you can take it from day to night, super easy. Is it pricey? Absolutely. But if you want quality, you want ease, you want something that's going to blend like that, absolutely go for it. But in my next upcoming video, it's time for favorites, my top 5 favorite drugstore products. And you guys, I've been working on this list and I couldn't wait to share it with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of our family. And in case you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist right over there. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.